Space looks calm, beautiful, silent. But beyond that beauty lies an environment completely opposite to human survival. No air, no protection, no margin for error. Even the smallest mistake beyond Earth can have irreversible consequences. Today, we'll explore why space is one of the most dangerous environments humans have ever encountered and how fragile our existence truly is beyond this planet. Let's begin with the most basic challenge. Space contains almost nothing. If a human were exposed to space without proper equipment, the effects would be immediate. Oxygen rapidly leaves the lungs. Bodily fluids begin reacting to pressure loss. Consciousness fades within seconds. Survival becomes impossible shortly after. The human body evolved for Earth, not for emptiness. The sun sustains life on Earth, but under certain conditions, it can also disrupt modern civilization. If a powerful solar event were directed toward Earth, satellites could malfunction, communication systems could fail, power grids could shut down, navigation systems could be disrupted. In 1859, a solar storm disrupted global telegraph systems. If a similar event occurred today, the impact would be unprecedented. Our planet exists in a dynamic cosmic environment. Millions of asteroids orbit the Sun. Thousands pass near Earth annually. History shows that large impacts have reshaped life on this planet. Some near-Earth objects are detected only shortly before close approach. Others are noticed after passing Earth. Space operates on its own schedule, not ours. Earth remains habitable due to several protective layers. Remove even one of these, and life becomes far more vulnerable. If Earth's magnetic field weakened, radiation exposure would increase, cellular damage would rise, long-term health risks would grow. Earth is constantly shielding life from cosmic forces. Even trained astronauts experience major physical changes. In microgravity, bone density decreases, muscles weaken, vision may permanently change, fluid shifts affect the brain. After returning to Earth, astronauts often experience physical weakness, balance issues, accelerated aging effects. The human body struggles to adapt beyond Earth. Radiation in space is constant and unavoidable. It penetrates spacecraft, damages cells, alters genetic material. A long-duration Mars mission could expose astronauts to radiation levels far beyond Earth norms. This is why deep space travel carries serious health risks. Long missions require advanced shielding. Space exposure accumulates silently. Space offers no environmental balance. Temperatures can drop near absolute zero. There is no natural heat regulation, no emergency assistance nearby. Even a minor equipment failure can become critical. Every aspect of space challenges biology. Humans evolved for Earth. Space resists organic life. Survival depends entirely on technology. Exploration requires machines to support fragile bodies. Space isn't hostile by intention. It's simply indifferent. It doesn't adapt to us. We must adapt to it. Every second, Earth protects life from an environment that offers no forgiveness. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, they are breathtaking and profoundly unforgiving. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe for more such curious content.